Welcome back to AutoTechReview, the channel where we bring you the latest and most exciting updates from the automotive world. If you love cars, innovation, and future mobility, make sure to stay tuned and subscribe for more in-depth reviews. Today, we are diving into something truly extraordinary at the 2026 Rolls Royce Motorhome. Yes, you heard that right. Rolls Royce, the legendary brand known for its unmatched luxury sedans and chauffeur-driven excellence, has stepped into the world of motorhomes, and what they have created might just redefine the meaning of luxury travel. Let's start with the big question: why would Rolls-Royce build a motorhome? Well, the luxury travel market has been expanding rapidly over the past decade. More and more ultra-wealthy customers are looking for ways to explore the world in comfort, privacy, and style. Super yachts already dominate the seas, private jets cover the skies, and now, the road is getting its own ultra-luxury treatment. Rolls-Royce saw the opportunity to bring their iconic craftsmanship to a completely new segment, and the result is breathtaking. From the outside, the 2026 Rolls Royce Motorhome is a sight to behold. Measuring nearly 12 meters in length, it carries the unmistakable Rolls-Royce design DNA. The signature Pantheon grille sits proudly at the front, flanked by laser LED headlights with a crystal-like effect. The Spirit of Ecstasy emblem rises gracefully, just as it is on every Rolls-Royce. The body is sculpted with smooth flowing lines, finished in a two-tone paint scheme that can be personalized to the owner's taste. The sheer presence of this motorhome is enough to turn heads wherever it goes. But it's when you step inside that the real magic begins. Imagine the atmosphere of a Rolls-Royce Phantom or a Cullinan, stretched out into a luxurious mobile mansion. Every detail has been handcrafted by the artisans at Goodwood. The cabin is a seamless blend of fine leathers, natural wood veneers, hand-woven carpets, and even customizable starlit ceilings. Rolls-Royce offers nearly limitless customization, so no two motorhomes will ever be the same. The living area feels more like a luxury apartment than a vehicle. There is a spacious lounge with reclining leather chairs, a dining area with extendable tables, and a fully equipped kitchen finished with marble countertops and advanced smart appliances. The rear section houses a master bedroom with a king-sized bed, walk-in wardrobe, and an ensuite bathroom with rainfall shower, all styled to match five-star hotel standards. And if that wasn't enough, there is even an optional second bedroom or office space for those who need to work while traveling. Technology is at the core of the 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome. It features a fully integrated iTravel assistant that manages navigation, entertainment, climate control, and even suggests scenic routes or luxury destinations. Voice commands can control nearly every feature, from adjusting the lighting to deploying the hidden outdoor terrace. Yes, Rolls-Royce has included a fold-out balcony space that extends from the side of the motorhome, complete with lounge chairs and a minibar for those sunset views. On the performance side, this motorhome is equally impressive. It is powered by a hybrid electric V12 system, combining Rolls-Royce's traditional smoothness with sustainable energy technology. The electric motors allow silent city driving for up to 150 kilometers, while the combustion engine provides long-distance cruising capability. The air suspension has been tuned specifically for this massive vehicle, ensuring that the ride remains whisper quiet and incredibly smooth, no matter the road conditions. Safety has not been compromised either. Advanced driver assistance systems, 360-degree cameras, automatic parking, and autonomous highway driving all come as standard. Rolls-Royce understands that many owners may prefer a chauffeur, so the motorhome can be driven in full autonomous mode or by a professional driver, while the passengers relax in unmatched luxury. Another unique aspect is exclusivity. Rolls-Royce has announced that only a limited number of these motorhomes will be produced each year, making them some of the rarest vehicles on the planet. Prices are expected to start at around $3 million, with bespoke customization pushing the cost much higher depending on the client's desires. So, who is the Rolls-Royce Motorhome really for? This is not a vehicle for ordinary road trips. It is designed for the ultra-elite who want to travel across continents without ever compromising on comfort, privacy, or prestige. Imagine driving along the French Riviera, exploring the Swiss Alps, or parking beside a secluded beach, all while living in a rolling palace that carries the Rolls Royce badge. The 2026 Rolls Royce Motorhome is more than just transportation, it is a statement of ultimate freedom and luxury. It blurs the line between home and vehicle, redefining what it means to live and travel in style. And that wraps up our first look at the incredible 2026 Rolls Royce Motorhome. What do you think of this bold move from Rolls Royce? Would you want to take a journey in one of these? Let us know in the comments below. Thank you for watching Auto Tech Review. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and hit the notification bell for more updates on the latest innovations in the automotive world. Until next time, drive safe and stay inspired.